Touched in iron triangles where the headquarters of Vietcong control, and which was also the main base of Saigon at the time. Vietcong, they say if they lost Ho Chi Minh area, that means they couldn't match Saigon government collapse. They couldn't reunify North Vietnam and South Vietnam into one nation. For the South Vietnam army, they say declaration independence for Vietnam under new name Democratic Republic of Vietnam. And Ho Chi Minh, he chose Hanoi, the capital. At the time, both Vietnam became one nation. And Ho Chi Minh, he with the social of the allied countries like Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, South Korea, and Thailand came to join directly the war in the South Vietnam.
Lots of trees. Dropped us here at the handicap handicrafts. We'll see what they got. So first they help clean and create jobs for the disabled. You can see how they make these boards. Interesting. They use eggshell to make this.
Something like this within about 3 months to make wood.
Eggshell on the pearl.
Then cover like now the face flush.
Oh yeah, they make it smooth now.
Then the drawing, paintings,
Color it.
compass.
Wow.
Here is the picture.
Can't they? This.
You're the first step in like eggshell, you see.
Crazy with eggshells and the shell.
Very little bit
101 Dalmatian.
on top of that. Little by little.
Oh.
And you the sharp knife here.
Oh.
Tap for the sharp. Become the tiny. Then the cover like cover and polish. It's a lot of work.
Wow.
And next up put down.
Wow, that's how they do. Not yet, they don't coat that one. Don't do. Wow. Whoa. Is this all with it too? Is that all with eggshells? Wow. Wow, they cut like
And
this.
we cut the shell and get a
Whoa.
drawing.
These from those shells. Man, that's a lot of work. How much work just to make one of this? Those. Wow.
Then we stick all that with the wood face together and filling it polish.
Wow. They like shape it with that.
The wet sandpaper.
And this they wet sandpaper to polish. So they coat it and then they polish it to get the stuff back smooth. That. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen.
It's a lot of work to make this kind of stuff.
The fibers that we use craft polish for trying.
These polish. Here's some. And then they polish it here. Look at that. Wow. Paint inlays. So nice. This one they polish. Look at this. Wow. Oh, they can ship to all countries too? So if you want them to ship it out. That's so nice. Man, these things take like months to make. Oh, okay.